Hi, welcome to our special session designed for Endy and everyone seeking to restore posture and relieve tension with Viva Align. Let's get started. For our 5-minute exercise today, we'll be all sitting on the floor with our head, shoulders, and butt up against the wall and legs straight on the floor like this. So get in position. Make sure your butt, both sides of your butt, the back of your hip is both touching the wall. And then when you are ready, let's rotate our feet so that our outside feet are straight like a railroad track, and then fist width apart between the feet. For the lower half of our body, during this entire 3 sets of exercise, your feet will be flexed towards you like this. So imagine your 10 toes are driving the flex, so your feet are flexing from the inside and outside of your body, and your thighs are tight the entire time. Make sure your outside feet are straight the entire time as well. And then we are going to multitask. For our first set of exercise, we'll interlace our hands like this and then place our hands behind our head where it's just in between where our neck and head is, so there's a curve there. Tuck it in there, and then we are going to pull our elbows back so your elbows are touching the wall the entire time. We will hold in this position for 1 minute. Make sure that your lower half of your body, that both your feet are still flexed towards you and outside feet are still straight. Your thighs are still tight, so you're getting a nice deep stretch in your legs area. And then keep pulling your elbows back. Make sure your elbows are keep pulling back. There's a tendency they may want to start to leave the wall, so keep pulling it back. This exercise is going to help reduce the tension in your neck and shoulders. I know it may be a bit uncomfortable right now, so just breathe into where you're feeling the tension. And then breathe out and give it energy. Feel the muscles relaxing. Once you feel like the muscles have relaxed a bit in your leg area or in your neck and shoulder area, you can see if you can pull your elbows back a little bit more so it's even more flatter against the wall, and flex your feet towards you a little bit more. Keep breathing and relaxing. Alright, now you can relax your hands. Those feet are still flexing towards you. Do not let it go. We're still getting that deep stretch in the lower half of the body, all the way from our ankle, knee to our hips. Alright, and our lower backs. Alright, now next we will be doing some elbow curls. So let's do a tiger's claw grip. So make a claw and then thumbs up like this. And then we're going to place the second knuckle of our index and middle finger to where our temples are. So our palms are facing outwards and thumbs are facing downwards like a Mickey Mouse. All right, now pull your elbows all the way back so it is touching the wall. And then if possible, we'll be doing 25 reps of elbow curls. So we're gonna flex inward our elbows so they touch in the middle of our body, and then we roll them out again. So we're doing this inward, outward rotation for 25 reps. And make sure that when you're doing this, that your elbows are towards the middle of your body, and then pull them all the way back so that both your elbows are touching the wall before you come back in again. Ready? Make sure you are breathing while you're doing this. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Well done. Relax, relax, relax. Now place your hands so that your palm is facing upwards and just resting on your thighs. Arms are fully relaxed. And for the final stretch, we'll be pulling our shoulders directly back and then pushing our shoulder blades directly down and hold in this position for another 1 minute. Make sure your arms are totally relaxed, hands are just relaxed on your thigh. Your feet are still flexed towards you, so let's see if you can pull your feet further towards you because they're probably a little bit looser by now. So outside feet still straight, fist width apart still between the feet. And then see if you can pull your shoulder blades back and down even more a bit to get an even deeper stretch and hold there. Now make sure you are breathing and smiling while you are holding in this position. You can close your eyes and just concentrate on breathing in energy to where you're feeling the stretching happening. Breathe out, let go of the tension there. When you feel like your muscles have relaxed a bit, see if you can pull your shoulder blades back and down even more to get an even deeper stretch. And pull those feet towards you even more to get a final deeper stretch. You've got this. Alright, relax, relax, relax. And then slowly get up, walk it out, and notice what's changed. Congratulations, Endy, and everyone who completed your exercise for today. How do you feel different? Do you feel like you're standing more upright and your neck and shoulders and hip have relaxed? Drink plenty of water and hydrate yourself, and let's come back tomorrow and do this again. See you tomorrow.